Hi everyone, I hope you're hanging in there. I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial about our distance learning course. First, you'll go over to the weekly modules where all of the week's work will be posted under little modules for each week. So you go right over here to weekly modules. And everything you need to know is on the outside of this module, directions for that module. And then you click into it, and then everything is in here, everything you need for that week. So right now we are just focused on outlines and speeches for the remainder of the semester. And so first thing in this module, take a look at the revised schedule. There's some important information on updates to our schedule in there. Then you can read about recording your speech and directions for recording the speech. You will post all speeches into our speech blog, and inside each module you'll see a link for that blog. So let's take a look at this. First one is our Visual Aid Speech blog, and you'll click into that and you'll create entry, and you can create a link in here or embed the video over here. So you'll record your speech and upload it into this blog. Let's go back to our module. Here we are with the next assignment, which is to upload your Visual Aid final draft and PowerPoint. And then there's also a checking in discussion board. This is for extra credit only, just to kind of check in and see how everyone is doing. You can go into the forum and there will be directions in here, and then you create thread. So you click onto that and create thread, and here is the forum here, and then you can contribute by putting in an image or just typing a message saying, hey, how is everyone? I'm doing okay, just to kind of keep up camaraderie and morale and our classroom climate. But it is optional, but I'm hoping to hear from people just on a weekly basis to post in there for some extra credit and to see how you're doing. Okay, let's go back to, and then in this module is also additional support. So if you need additional support from IT, the number is there, and then also just a handy discussion board netiquette article. And then I'm working on posting some more tabs and information on resources available right now, such as the Writing Center, distance tutorials, and tutoring sessions. So stay tuned for that. For now, this is how we are going to be doing our class, is through these weekly modules. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks everyone. I miss you, and I hope that you all are doing well.